You must have seen or heard about many forts in India or in Western countries, which are marvelous pieces of architecture, tall, high, massive. But have you heard of Sonar Killa, the golden Jaisalmer fort? Built by Rawal Jaisal in 1156 AD. This is 1500 feet long, 750 feet wide, and 250 feet high from the surroundings. And it's a living fort. People still live here. This was a fort that overlooked the trade routes, and it's a marvelous piece of architectural splendor. Come on, let me take you to this fort.
Look at the Sonar Killa. It is 800 years old and it took 500 years for the construction. It used the interlocking system where massive yellow sandstone blocks are fitted together without cement. Can you believe it uses gravity and acts as a flexible and durable structure? This fort is not just an architectural splendor or marvel, it is a living piece of history. The fort contains magnificent havelis, temples, palaces, hotels, cafes, shops, and ancient homes where generations of families have lived for decades. The entire Jaisalmer fort is one of those 6 hill forts of Rajasthan collectively declared to be UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The main attraction is Natmal Haveli, also known as Raja Rani Ki Haveli. It is a masterpiece of architecture and craftsmanship that continues to captivate visitors. Natmal Ji Ki Haveli is a blend of Rajput and Islamic architectural styles. It has detailed carvings, intricate jharokhas, ornate balconies that reflect the era's opulence. Inside, visitors can explore well-preserved chambers that narrate stories of Indian mythology, local legends, and scenes from daily lives. In summary, Natmal Ji Ki Haveli in Jaisalmer is a masterpiece that captures the essence of an era marked by artistic excellence and cultural convergence. As we enter, we see a display of photos of Maharajas past and present, Raja of Jaisalmer. There is a display of weapons used during those days. Jaisalmer's second most frequented haveli is Patwa Ki Haveli that whispers stories from the bygone era. It is also called the Mansion of the Brocade Merchants. Today, the fort is recognized on the World Monument Watch list of 100 most endangered sites.